Short of spaghetti sauce, don't throw your pasta because we can make a sauce just out of garlic and oil. Aglio e olio, the way it's made in Napoli. It doesn't have to be black, I just ran out of regular spaghetti. Call this poor man's pasta, if you will. Indeed, it is. And this is our pasta, aglio e olio. Garlic and oil. Very simple. Possibly one of the humblest spaghetti recipe. Join me here on my kitchen for some learning and fun. That's true, don't throw away your leftover pasta. Let's make a quick midnight snack. It's a traditional midnight snack in Napoli. That's why it's called pasta alla napolitana or pasta aglio e olio or pasta aglio, garlic, e olio, garlic and oil. And those are what we need. Just garlic and oil. Imagine that. For this, two simple ingredients, we'll be making the sauce. But unfortunately, I don't have extra pasta or leftover pasta. I'll do some upgrade. This is a poor man's pasta, so I might as well level it up by using black spaghetti, which is spaghetti flavored with squid ink. It's called spaghetti al nero di seppia, or spaghetti with ink squid nero, squid of ink sepia, or capital fish. This is good for two, so I'll be cooking 2 portions of black spaghetti or squid ink spaghetti with garlic and oil. Very simple. The packaging says it should be cooked around 9 to 11 minutes. We will not finish the cooking here. We'll finish the cooking in the pan, so I'll just do 9. I didn't mention about salt, but of course when cooking pasta or any dish you need salt. I'll be generous with salt this time because I'm not just adding salt to the water, but I am at the same time flavoring the pasta by adding extra salt to the water. You know, the squid ink has a strong smell. This might not appeal to everyone. This is my version because I don't have the regular pasta. I suggest use the regular pasta. I don't have it. It's empty. At first, I thought this was a pasta, but it's just aluminum foil. But no choice but this special pasta di nero di seppia. And while this cooks, we can prepare our garlic. It's very simple that I didn't have to prepare the ingredients. Imagine just 2, oil and garlic. What can you do with the garlic? Just mince it. As an option, you can also use or fry the entire garlic cloves and just remove them once they've released their aroma. But this is done, I've seen, in more households. Mince. While this cooks, some cultural notes. I mentioned in the intro that this is a poor man's pasta, and it serves traditionally as a midnight snack in Naples or in Napoli. I remember in my barrio, in Pangasinan, we have this verb, agkilaban. For example, you're hungry, middle of the night, and you have extra rice, but you don't have anything. Walang ulam, awantisida, to eat it with. So what should you do? Rice alone is not tasty, you have to flavor it with something. How about adding oil and some flavoring? So, rice and oil, same with this, same principle, pasta and oil, flavored with garlic. Enough. We're just too complicated with our spaghetti alla Jollibee. It has sauce of tomato sauce, ground meat, hot dog, meatballs, what else? Some even add milk and sugar. It's too much. This is back to basics. By the way, there's even one more basic pasta, which the Italians call cacio e pepe. It's just pasta sauce, that's the sauce, pepper, and cheese. Imagine that. The sauce is the pasta water itself. Just pepper and cheese. Life is simple. Back to basics. If you notice, I transferred this pot to another burner because I'm gonna use the bigger burner to do the sauteing of our oil and garlic. That's our sauce. For 2 servings, we need 6 tablespoons, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. We are generous with oil here because it's the only sauce, plus some water later. This is a lowly recipe, that's why we have to upgrade it a bit by using extra virgin oil, the best oil you can find, because this is the only sauce you have. And we add the garlic. Just medium flame because we don't want to burn the garlic. It will be bitter. On medium flame because we don't want to burn the garlic, it will become bitter. But it should be cut. Raw garlic causes the garlic breath. We don't want that either. Some add, this is an option, pepper. I'm adding chili flakes. That was just an option. Another option is add parsley. I'm not doing that. I'm adding pasta water now to make the sauce. This also stops the garlic from cooking. We don't want it to turn brown. It will be bitter. More water. And I'll finish cooking the pasta here in the pan. This is special, I have to use every noodle. Flame off because it's not cooked. Now, Romilo, you might ask, how about the cheese? Good question. As I told you earlier, this is a poor man's pasta. We cannot afford cheese, but we are simulating the looks and the feel of a cheese. Okay? So what are we using instead? Breadcrumbs. Let me find stale bread. Here. I have an old bread here, which I'm going to grind. One tablespoon per plate would be ideal. Look, black spaghetti. And this is our pasta, aglio e olio. Garlic and oil, very simple. Nothing fancy, but it's really delicious. You can concentrate on the pasta flavor and not on the sauce. I'll do this again, really. I like it. I hope you were inspired to do this as well. It doesn't have to be black. Ordinary pasta works perfectly well. Thank you for joining me here today, and I'd like to see you on the next video. But honestly, I think I put too much chili flakes. It's hot, it's spicy. It doesn't have to be spicy. It's just an option.